Let's go over the order of operations. So there is an easy way to remember this. That is, remember the phrase called BEDMAS. It's read from left to right. The first operation is always the B, which will be brackets. This would include numbers inside brackets. Deal with the numbers in the brackets first. So that's B. And then next we have E, which stands for exponents. And what this basically means is numbers which are raised to the power of a number. This number raised to another number. And for example, this could be 3 squared or cubed and so on. And then next we have D and M, which stands for division or multiplication. And what this means is we can either divide or multiply at the same time. The order doesn't really matter for this. And then the last one would be A and S, which stands for addition or subtraction. And likewise, division and multiplication, addition and subtraction, they go together. So addition and subtraction have the same priority, and division and multiplication have the same priority. But division and multiplication always comes before addition and subtraction. So just to recap, first is always brackets, then second is exponents, and then third is either division or multiplication, and then the last is always addition and subtraction. That's all there is to this.